Are you a developer? Are you looking to learn exciting new languages like Python? Are you looking to explore a completely new strand of computer science like blockchain? Well, if so, you've come to the right place. My name is Sharpan. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Nvest, and we invest into cryptocurrency and blockchain companies all over the world that employ hundreds of developers. And one of the most exciting aspects of both blockchain technology and Python development is this integration, is that many people are now developing new blockchains and blockchain-based applications on Python itself. Now, this is an exciting intersection because it really blends the best parts of decentralized computing and machine learning, artificial intelligence into one developer. Now, this could quite possibly the most valuable skill set as a developer that you learn. You know, these two industries are going to be so important to the future of computer science, and it is definitely something that any aspiring IT professional would want to put under their belt. And that's why we at Nvest have built a completely new course called Blockchain Development with Python that will actually show you how to develop in the blockchain infrastructure with new blockchains using Python as a programming language. This will take you from a complete novice, whether you're familiar with Python or not, to being able to do incredible things in the blockchain space with Python. And so if you're interested in learning more about the course and how you can get involved, click the webinar in the link below, and we're going to show you a completely free webinar that will allow you to see what you're going to get with this course. Now, we know that the information we have is extremely valuable and that in your hands it will be used to elevate your career and the blockchain industry at large. So we're very excited about it. Click the link if you want to learn more.